Well, I was not expecting to catch a little bluegill off of that, but I lost 2 bass. This bubbles right there. Bubbles are right there. That's where I lost him. And then I cast it again, and I brought this one. See the turtle? If I catch him, I'll show you, and I can't do that. Get down there and try to catch him. What in the world is up with this thing in sunfish? That's my second. I kind of accidentally hooked him right there. Oh well. Look at the turtle I just caught. I just got another turtle.
Slaying the bluegill. You might want to watch your...
Another one.
What is that? 20? We definitely have enough bluegill. Why don't you bring a spinner or something and catch some bass?
I may bring my jig.
Your jig?
Yeah.
Got your little buddy?
Yep.
All right, go let him go. He gone. Something bigger.
Come.
Oh, itty bitty little fella. Almost out of live action, Preston. Hey, Preston.
Yeah.
You look like an alien. Tell people where you're going to be detecting here. What was this? Right up through here.
Thing for a mill.
Grist mill?
Yeah.
Yeah. So it was they would dock right down here where the dock is now to get up to the grist mill, right?
Mm-hmm.
So you're going to detect this?
Yep.
All right, I'll check in with you.
Fish it too.
Yeah, we're going to do some fishing later this evening, right?
Yep.
Okay.
I'm going to catch a trout.
Tell everybody Happy Independence Day.
Happy Independence Day.
Go USA.
Go USA.
Happy Treason Day.
I don't know what treason means.
We'll cover that in a minute. You got a big one?
Yeah.
Good, because you gave up metal detecting awful quick. Is he 90-degree days? I'm surprised you got a fish on. Oh! Did you catch that on that rib?
What is it?
It looked like a cat.
That's a carp.
Carp!
Well, that figures. That's a big carp.
Woo, boy. Hey, Jeffrey,
Yeah.
in the back of my car is a dip net.
Oh no.
Let him move, let him move. Don't let him get around that.
I'm trying not to.
Just let him go. Let him come around this way.
No, we got around that stake thing.
Huh? All right, let him run a little bit.
It's not moving, he got it.
No, just come around that way. There you go.
No, he's got it. Yeah, he got around it.
He'll twist back around. We'll check on you in a minute. You got him to the dock, right?
Yeah.
Couldn't get to the dip net quick enough. That's all right. We got to get a look at him. Big old carp. Good catch, buddy.
Thanks.
He was eating the corn?
Yeah.
Preston, we had ribs for dinner, and he threw a chunk of ribs out there earlier. I guess carp will eat anything, but maybe he's still down there. See if he'll grab that one. You can get this one rigged up.
Yeah.
Look at that sucker. Big old mouth. Grief, Preston. Bring him over. There we go.
Hey, I got revenge.
That's your big old carp. Big old ugly sucker. Good luck getting that hook out.
Just cut the line on that.
Yeah, that's way down there.
Hey.
They're invasive anyway, right?
Yep.
Good job, buddy.
No, I want to hold him.
There you go.
Can I hold him?
I don't care.
Or like,
Don't get your hand on the hook.
Yeah. Hold him up high. Let everybody see him.
cow, it's so slippery.
You got gloves? You didn't bring your gloves?
No.
Here, hold him up with that. Show the boat. Good job, bud. Big ol' ugly sucker.
Yep.
Good job. Say happy 4th.
Happy 4th.
Don't hook Uncle Jeff.
He's my uncle.
Might as well be. As much stuff as he giving you. Beautiful night on the Tennessee River. No luck metal detecting, a little luck fishing.
Bat.
Yep, bats flying around. We're what, 1 minute away from the fireworks. On the hook? Yeah. Hold him up high. Everybody see him.
Cow, it's so slippery.
You got gloves? Bring your gloves. Here, hold him up with that. Show the boat. Good job, bud. Bring him over. There we go.
Hey, I got revenge.
Look at a big old carp. Big old ugly sucker. Good luck getting that hook out.
Just cut the line on that.
Yeah, that's way down there.
Okay.
They're invasive anyway, right?
Yep.